Hello and namaste my dear crafty friends. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. As the countdown to the release of Avengers Endgame begins, there is a tremendous excitement all around. And being a hardcore Avenger fan, I thought to dedicate my love towards Avengers by creating these cute kawaii theme mini notebooks based on the characters of the movie. I hope you will like this video and do consider to subscribe to this channel because next week I am sharing DIY Infinity Stones. Now let's get started. You will need one A4 size paper to create this book. First, fold the paper in half like I am showing here. Then fold it again in half and make a crease line. Then fold upwards. Then take a pair of scissors and cut on every fold line. Now gather all the rectangles and then fold it in half to create pages. Now staple all the pages together on center line and your basic mini notebook is ready. Repeat the same process to make other notebooks. Now let's make Gamma Rays Rage Monster, that is Hulk. For this, I am using green notebook and then drawing hair, eyes and other details with black marker like I am showing here. Add highlights with white gel pen and our Hulk mini notebook is ready. This line is my personal favorite. Let me know your favorite line of Hulk in the comment section down below. Now next Avenger notebook is everyone's favorite soldier, Captain America. For this, you will need a blue notebook. Then take a white or cream piece of paper and draw a shape like I am drawing here and then cut it out with the help of scissors. I don't have cream colored cardstock, so I am coloring mine with cream colored marker. Now cut or punch out two circles for eyes. And then I am using blue and black markers to draw iconic Captain America eyes. Now stick all pieces on notebook using liquid glue. Here I am using black and white marker to color patriotic symbol letter A. Here I am drawing highlights in eyes with white gel pen. Now let's draw a big happy kawaii smile with black gel pen, and our Captain America mini notebook is ready. My favorite Captain America movie is Civil War. Let me know your favorite movie in the comment section down below. Now next Avenger notebook is Iron Man, a genius billionaire superhero. For this, you will need a red notebook and a yellow piece of paper. Next, draw Iron Man helmet on yellow piece of paper like I am showing here. I am drawing cute kawaii version of Iron Man. Then outline everything with black marker. Now cut it out and stick it on red notebook with liquid glue. Here I am coloring his eyes with silver metallic pen. And our Iron Man mini notebook is ready. He is my favorite Avenger, and I love his attitude towards life. Let me know your favorite Avenger in the comment section down below. Now next Avenger notebook is God of Thunder, Thor. To make this notebook, I am sticking a white piece of paper as a cover. Now I am drawing cute kawaii Thor with pencil. Here I am outlining everything with black marker. Now I am coloring Thor with brush markers, but if you don't have these, then you can also use watercolors, colored pencils or acrylic colors. I've added a cute kawaii face and our Thor mini notebook is ready. I think Thor is the strongest Avenger. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which notebook you like the most in the comment section down below. Also, share your thoughts if you would like to watch other superhero mini notebooks. If you have any ideas or suggestions, then let me know in the comment section down below. I will do my best to make that happen. If you recreate this DIY, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIYwithZini. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!